last present? Ready? Ready? Open this one. It came in the mail. What is it?
What's that?
Is it trucks? And a airplane and a train? You want me to open
Mace,
it?
do you like trucks?
Is that pretty cool? You want to open it? Okay, hold on one sec.
Yeah, it's a truck. Mason, can you show Grammy thank you?
Say I love you, Graham. That is a dumpster, or a